Question 101. Consider the following statements regarding a no-confidence motion in India. 1. There is no mention of a no-confidence motion in the Constitution of India. 2. A motion of no confidence can be introduced in the Lok Sabha only. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Explanation. Option C is correct. The no-confidence motion may be introduced only in Lok Sabha, and no-confidence motion is not mentioned in the Constitution. Procedure for no-confidence motion is mentioned in Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Lok Sabha, Rule No. 198. Question 102. Who among the following held the office of the Prime Minister of India more than once? 1. Jawaharlal Nehru. 2. Indira Gandhi. 3. Gulzari Lal Nanda. 4. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Choose the correct code. A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 1, 2, and 4. D. All of the above. Explanation. Option D is correct. Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Gulzari Lal Nanda, and Atal Bihari Vajpayee have been held the office of the Prime Minister of India more than once, in which Gulzari Lal Nanda was the acting Prime Minister twice. Question 103. Consider the following statements. 1. The executive power of the Union of India is vested in the Prime Minister. 2. The Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of the Civil Services Board. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Explanation. Option D is correct. The executive power of the Union of India is not vested in the Prime Minister but in the President. Article 53(1). The constitutional head of the executive of the Union is the President. Article 74(1) of the Constitution provides that as its head to aid and advise the President, who shall exercise her functions in accordance with the advice. The Cabinet Secretariat is under the direct charge of the Prime Minister. The administrative head of the Secretariat is the Cabinet Secretary, who is also the ex-office chairman of the Civil Services Board. Question 104. with reference to union government, consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution of India provides that all cabinet ministers shall be compulsorily the sitting members of Lok Sabha only. 2. The Union Cabinet Secretariat operates under the direction of the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Explanation. Option D is correct. The Council of Ministers seldom meets as a body. It is the cabinet, an inner body within the council, which shapes the policies of the government. Cabinet ministers hold the charge of key portfolios. There is no bar on the appointment of a person from outside the legislature as a minister, but he cannot continue for more than 6 months unless he secures a seat in either house of the parliament in the meantime. A minister who is a member of one house has the right to speak and to take part in the proceedings of the other house, though he has no right to vote in the house of which he is not a member. The Union Cabinet Secretariat is not operated under the direction of Ministry of Parliament Affairs. Union Cabinet Secretariat is under the supervision of Prime Minister's Office. Its administrative chief is Cabinet Secretary, who is the ex officio chairman of Civil Services Board. The Cabinet Secretary is the highest civil services officer of the central government. Question 105. Which of the following are the functions of the Cabinet Secretariat? 1. Preparation of agenda for cabinet meetings. 2. Secretariat assistance to cabinet committees. 3. Allocation of financial resources to the ministries. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. All of the above. Explanation. Option C is correct. The Cabinet Secretariat has been given place in First Schedule of the Rules made under the Government of India, Allocation of Business, Rules, 1961. The subject allotted to the Secretariat are A. Secretariat assistance to the Cabinet and the Cabinet committees. B. The administration of the rules of business. The Secretariat assistance provided by the Cabinet Secretariat to the Cabinet and Cabinet committees are 1. Conventing of the meeting of the Cabinet on the orders of the Prime Minister. 2. Preparation and circulation of the agenda. 3. Circulating papers related to cases on the agenda. 4. Preparing a record of discussion taken. 5. Circulation off the record after obtaining the approval of the Prime Minister. 6. Watching implementation of the decisions taken by the Cabinet. C. Promotion of interministerial coordination. The coordination is required for removing difficulties, removing differences, overcoming delays, coordination in administrative actions, and coordination of policies.